Is there a deeper meaning to the Warren Buffett quote, "Do not lose money"? Financial planner Mr. Ramalingam will share his insights with you now.
What do you see on the screen is a simple, boring, cliched quote, right? Rule number one, never lose money. Rule number two, don't forget rule number one. This quote is used multiple times in different media, multiple times in different blog posts, articles, media, right? I want all of you to just think about this quote for a moment. Just in your mind or on your phone or on your paper, just note down what this quote actually means to you now. Never lose money. Don't forget rule number one. What does this quote actually mean? It's a boring, simple, cliche quote. Yes, I know this quote already. So what comes to your mind immediately? Just make a note of it. I'll give you some explanation about this quote. Then you will be able to understand it. Yes, this is a very simple, common sense quote. No doubt about it. But all the common sense investing quotes or common sense investing principles or wisdom, what do you see on the face of it? When you dive deeper, when you go beyond the obvious things, it will give you a deeper connect. It will give you a deeper meaning. It will give you an in-depth financial wisdom to you. Right? That is what I am trying to explore today. What this quote actually tells us is when you lose money in the market, when there is a loss, making loss is easy in the market, but recovering that loss is tough. Recovery is difficult. You can see the logical calculation here. An investment which has made a loss of 10%, if 1 lakh invested has become 90,000, to recover and break even, it should have 11% gain. A 50% loss, 1 lakh has become 50,000. In order to again reach the break even point, it has to appreciate by 100% to recover. Similarly, 1 lakh has crashed to 10,000. That 10,000 to become 1 lakh, it has to appreciate by 900%. So here the point is loss is easy, recovery is tough. So if you are investing in an asset which has got a probability to give you loss, then before entering into that asset investment class, please make sure even if it makes you a temporary loss, it gives you a temporary loss, it has got the potential to give you back the required appreciation for recovery. Over and above that, the return. So the ability to recover and the ability to compensate you with additional returns. Make sure this. You should have a strong conviction on that product. Only if you understand the product and only if you have the conviction on that product, yes, possibility to loss is there. But at the same time, regardless of the loss, even if it is 50%, it can recover and it can compensate me with additional returns. Yes, all these things are possible because understand this when you look at this quote. Never lose money. Don't forget rule number one. Loss is easy. Recovery is tough. So do your homework. Only if you have strong conviction that it will recover and compensate you with good returns, you enter into that product.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.